Guys, what is up? RedGamer23 back, and I'm doing a video of my mini bike. It's pretty good shape. It runs good and everything. It just needs a pulley cover and everything. It needs, let's see what else it needs. What else does it need? It needs a throttle.
It needs the show gas
and it
tank.
needs the show tank welded back on. But I doubt I'll do that. I mean, it looks okay, and it needs the bulb put back in it.
And it's got a tractor tire.
And the tires are really good because it's got a big lawnmower tire back here. I think the tires are 19-inch, 19 by 7 by 8, and the original tire is in the front. My little brother's gonna start it real quick. It's 196 cc. It runs good. You can see right there. It's got more cc than a lot of like regular dirt bikes and stuff. So, let's get right into it. My little brother's gonna ride it a few seconds. No?
No.
Okay, well, I guess I'll ride it. Just show you guys how it runs and stuff. You want the camera, or am I gonna keep it?
Take it.
Hold it like that. Not upside down.
Like that.
You ready?
Yep.
Guys, this don't have no gears. It don't have a bird second. When I bought it, I thought it had at least 3 gears. Take it.
Okay, guys, he is taking it all the way through the yard. Just to show you guys how it runs and stuff. Okay, guys, it looks like, yeah, he's coming back. And he done a sideway out. Something.
It died.
It died. Happens to me all the time. It died again. It's got the gas is tank. It's full tank, ain't it? Should be half. Ooh. For some reason it keeps on dying like that.
I think it's the way I'm trying to ride it.
Yeah, it's that throttle too. Trying to keep it running down the hill. I hate that. Okay, guys, he just went around the house and he's gonna be back. There he is. I didn't want to run after him. Okay, guys, give me a minute, because that throttle where it's so messed up and you have to pull wire. It's wearing its arm and hand out and where it has to turn it one-handed.
guys, so there it is. It really didn't die. I just turned the switch off when I was coming up through there.
Yeah.
It's rides pretty good. I will have more videos of me doing stuff like, you can see over right there, there's a ditch and stuff. I may be trying to get up or something. I mean, there's a lot of stuff I can do around here, but well, the brother's gonna ride the bike a little bit. You may see him, but this is an old tent that tore down because of a storm. But as you can see, there's a big mud hole right here I've been going through. And there is a hill right here, or a big bank, whatever you want to call it. I can't tell from the camera, but it's super steep. So there it is, guys. I might be trying to come up this hill right here. It's very muddy towards the end. Well, not towards the end, but the beginning. As you can see right here. Very wet. And I'll take the bike up through here. I can get it right up through here. I almost fell. And there's a big mud hole right here I can go through. I mean, as you can tell, it's a mud hole. And this isn't even the big end. That's like the baby end. Here's the big end. Here's the big finish. I'm probably going to move the 10 out of the way to get through there, but anyways, I might be fixing a go-kart. I have a motor to put on one of these. I don't think I can put it on this because, as you can see, it's got too big a pulley on it. These don't even have pulleys. This one doesn't. That one does, but it's chain. So I might be figuring that out. But thanks anyways, guys. Thanks for watching. Brad Gamer 23O signing off.